How to add the health, overnight, or weekly vitals widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on the Edit button. Next, tap on Add Widget. Now in the widget list, we scroll down. And then in here, tap on Health. Next, you can swipe across to select Overnight Vitals widget. And here says see your overnight metrics from last night, or weekly vitals, see your overnight metrics from the last 7 days. So select one of the options and then tap on Add Widget, and that will get added to your home screen. And after that, tap on the Done button to finish. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.